Now, I am talking about the mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? A combination of whole and part. That means whole and fraction is called mixed fraction. Now, our next topic is how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction or improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now, these are the improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed fraction. So, let's see the first example. 17 upon 4. So what is denominator here? 4. Which is numerator here? 17. So 4 upon 17 we get 4 4 the 16, 1 is the remainder and 4 is the quotient. So this 4 will be the whole part, then remainder will be the numerator and this divisor will be the denominator. Understand everyone? Then you have to solve another examples. Now, this is the mixed fraction and we have to convert it into improper fraction. See, 7 1 upon 9. So, 7 multiplied by 9 plus 1. 7 multiplied by 9 plus 1 upon denominator 9. 7 9 the 63. 63 plus 1 64. 64 upon 9. Understand everyone? Now, so all three types of questions I have discussed, so I will not discuss 7.2. Is it okay? Because we have already discussed it, all the three questions. So let's start the next topic. Yeah, I have discussed it. 7.2 completed. Fine. We will start our next topic, that is equivalent fraction. So what is equivalent fraction? Fraction having same value or represent same part of a whole. Get it? What is equivalent fraction? Fraction having same value. Get it? Now we can find this equivalent fraction of a given fraction by multiplying same number to numerator and denominator, or dividing same number from to numerator and denominator. Now what is interesting fact? The cross product of two equivalent fraction is equal. See, suppose 2 upon 5 and 40 upon 100 is the two fractions. So if we cross multiply, that means numerator of first fraction and denominator of second, and the denominator of first fraction and the numerator of first fraction, if they are equal, then the fractions are equivalent. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 100 and 5 multiplied by 40, what will get here? 200 equal to 200. Get it? That means they are equivalent fraction. Okay, next. A fraction is said to be in the simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. The shortest way to find out the simplest form is to find out the SCF of numerator and denominator. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में कहना है, अगर किसी फ्रैक्शन का आपको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? तो गिवन फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मैक्सिमम नंबर से, कौन से बड़े नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. सपोज 16/20 है तो 16/20 को 2 से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, 4 से भी कर सकते हैं, है ना. और कौन सा नंबर है? देखो 2 से और 4 से कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 2 एंड 4 में से बड़ा कौन सा है? 4. सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 4 सो दैट वी कैन गेट सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. ठीक है? ओके, फाइन. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. So it is completed. So let's see the document 1. Fine, just see. Yeah, we have already studied interesting factor simplest form, right now. So let's start the exercise 7.3. 2 upon 7, 8 upon box. So it is, we are converting equivalent fraction. 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 8 आएगा. 2 4 जा 8, राइट ना. सो वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमरेटर बाय 4, सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर बाय 4. 2 4 जा 8, 7 4 जा 28. Suppose here 45 15। अब यहाँ डिवाइड किया है ना, 45 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 वी गेट 15 and 60 divided by 3 we get 20. Now see here 18 upon 24. So इसको किससे डिवाइड करेंगे, 6 से. 6 3 जा 18 and 6 4 जा 24. Get it? Next. अब आपको फ्रैक्शन दिया है और न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दिया गया है, तो आपको जो नहीं दी है वो चीज़ ढूंढनी है. सपोज हियर डिनोमिनेटर इज गिवन एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द numerator. So see here 3 upon 5 is equal to denominator कितना है 20, 4 5 are 20 and 4 3s are 12. Get it? Now numerator 9, 3 upon 5 is equal to 9 upon 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. Get it? Okay, now next. Find the equivalent fraction. Same pattern है. 36 upon 48, 9 is given. So 36 को अगर हम 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 9. So we have to divide 48 by 4, we get 12. Okay, find the next topic. How to check the given fractions are equivalent or not. So interesting fact, just we studied that if we cross multiply the given two fraction and if the multiplication is same, they are equivalent fraction. Suppose 5 upon 9 and 30 upon 54. So we have to multiply 54 by 5 and here 30 multiplied by 9. So we get here 270 and here also we get 270. That means they are equivalent fractions. Okay. Our next question is how to reduce the given fraction into simplest form. So just before I have told you जब fraction दिया है तो numerator और denominator को हमें क्या करना है, उसके HCF ढूंढना है या फिर ऐसा बड़ा नंबर ढूंढना है कि जो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड करें. अगर ज़्यादा बड़ा नंबर हो तो हम ऐसे HCF निकालेंगे. हमने ये PT1 में सिलेबस में पढ़ा था ना, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट HCF. Okay, so if the number is larger then you have to find the HCF and it is easy for you to divide. Okay, otherwise आप ऐसे कर सकते हो 16 not 12 4 the 48 and 12 5 the. Okay, and it is for accuracy you have to find the HCF. Okay, so here is 48, so do make the tables and find out its part. So it is 48 is equal to factors ढूंढने हैं इसके. Okay, so 48 के factors कौन से आएंगे, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and 60 के 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So what is the HCF? 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. So 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा 4 upon 5. देन 150 अपॉन 60. सो दोनों को हम क्या करेंगे, फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे और 30 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टोरी सम्स. सो आई विल स्किप द स्टोरी सम. ओके, because we already revised it, but in this exam it is MCQ, so I will skip it. Okay, equivalent fraction. So I don't think it is time to revise because we have to convert, we have to find out HCF of numerator and denominator and you can check it. Okay, fine. Our next 5 के बाद आएगा just 6 7. Okay, it is exercise 7.4. so here we have to compare the fractions. If it is like fraction then it is easier to compare, right? अगर fractions like fractions हो तो वो easy रहता है, डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहते हैं, तो जो न्यूमरेटर जो बड़ा होता है वो फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा, बड़ा होगा. तो 5/6 and 2/6, तो डेफिनेटली 5/6 इज ग्रेटर, राइट ना. देन 3/6 and 0, तो 0 से कौन सा भी फ्रैक्शन पॉजिटिव वाला बड़ा होता है. गेट इट? And for like fraction it is easy, right? Now if